What makes an octopus so special? This interesting creature has a mini brain in each of its limbs. It has a distributed brain network instead of a centralized one, which enables plenty of complex moving patterns. So the distributed neural network performs better than the centralized brain on moving with limbs? To examine this hypothesis, a evolvable virtual robot would be helpful. It has a torso and 4 limbs, which are all made of cubes and geometrically symmetric, but has a randomness in body numbers, directions, size, and sensor distributions, and the task would be simply moving forward on y direction. In the case it moves all around the plan, I also add a punishment on x direction movements. Then we will upload the distributed and centralized brain to the robot to compare the learning speed and the best fitness. The main difference is if the neurons in 2 limbs can communicate. Also, we will test the primitive version of brain without had neurons like this. 5 runs are conducted for each group. In each run, 5 individuals are evolved parallelly, and all individuals evolved for 500 generations. What we see here is the best individual of a direct connected centralized brain creature. It is jumping forward with all its limbs, but not quite efficient. And here comes the champion with a directly connected distributed brain. As can be seen, it moves its limbs separately and creeping forwards with its strong arm, which is much faster. Will the centralized brain be smarter if we add more neurons to it? Yes, but it seems its limbs are not collaborate well with each other, so it's vibrating forwards instead of walking or running. And how about the distributed brain with hidden neurons? It is amazing to see that it's actually running, with 2 limbs successively. It moves so fast that my camera can hardly catch up with him. When studying on average fitness, we can see that the distributed brain always increases faster than the centralized brain, which indicates a faster learning speed of the distributed brain. That might be because they have smaller number of synapses to optimize, and thus it can provide better results within limited generation. Now we proved the hypothesis being right. With limited generations in the task of moving with limbs, distributed network does performs better than the centralized network. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please check the link below if you're interested in details.